9 minus 3x, this is an inequality, less than 2x plus 4. And we're going to graph the solution set, all right? Now, when we graph the solution set, it's going to be on a number line. So again, this equation is actually an inequality, and what we want to do is pick it up, get it rolling, and let's see where it's going to go. So let's take a look at this problem, all right? We got it right here. There we go. Good. And we've got 9 minus 3x, right there we have it, less than 2x plus 4. Just rewrite it down there so we can see what's going on, all right? Now, we're going to move the 2x to the left, all right? We're going to subtract 2x from both sides here. That's what we do. And when we move things to the left, sometimes people say, well, when you move a negative, don't you change? No, we don't change. And when we're adding and subtracting, we do not change anything. But it's when we multiply and divide. If we multiply or divide by negative, then we'll be cautious. But right now, don't shift less than. Leave it alone. Leave it alone, all right? So here we go. I've got a 4 left over here. I've got that lovely sign right there. This is less than. And over here, I've got 9, and I've got minus 5x. Got 9 minus 5x, all right? Now it's time to get the 9 out of the way, because we basically want to get something x less than whatever we're going to have here, all right? We're going to subtract this 9. We're going to subtract it out, both sides. And let's see where that leaves us. That leaves us at negative 5x less than negative 5, folks. There we go. And at this point, it's time for us to do a nice little division. This is where we worry, okay? This is where we take care that make sure everything goes right, because we are going to divide by a negative 5. Not just any 5, but a negative 5, all right? And when we do that, we're going to go ahead and do the divide by negative 5 here. And folks, what happens to that is we get a shift in our inequality, all right? We get a shift in our inequality. Now we're going to get x going to greater than, and by the way, negative 5 divided by negative 5 is greater than 1. Now, how does that work for our number line? Well, we're going to find find 1 over here somewhere, and I'll put it right there. It's not really kind of immaterial where we put it, but we're going to have to ask ourselves, is it open or closed circle? Well, I don't have an equals to here, so it's going to be open circle there at the 1. That's the key right there. Make sure that stays open circle. Don't shade it in. And greater than, we switched. We shifted the inequality. Greater than 1. Here we go. Here we go. Quick check. Let's say what would happen if we picked a number that was greater than 1. How about 2? And let's make sure that it's shaded to the right direction. Now, we know if we put a 1 in here, by the way, we're going to get a 6 and a 6. So we know that's equal to, so that can't work. So that's why we had to have the open circle. But let's try 2 and see if we get an inequality that's true back at our less than point, okay? So we've got 6 minus, let's see, 3 times 2 is going to give us 6, so it's going to be 9 minus 6. How about that? That'll be 3. Over here, we're going to get, wow, 4 plus 4, which is 8. Well, certainly true, isn't it? This 3 that we had over here is certainly less than 8. So 2 is a good point, as would any other number to the right work for us, okay? So open circle it, shade to the right. There's your solution set. Lots of good answers. Lots of good answers. Anything that is bigger than 1.
For more math help, visit TNLearn.org.